Hi, my name is Arnisha Vasquez Barrios. I'm currently in the medical assistant program. I will go over my cred portfolio. We're going to start off by talking about my competencies assessments that I have completed in pharmacology. Also, going a little bit into details into pharmacology. I have learned about various of medications, side effects, its usage, and also the genetic brand name of each medication. Then we go down to educational backgrounds. I'm currently attending Bryan Stratton College, and my anticipated graduation date is April of 2023. Then we go down to my employment history, where I'm currently employed at the Inns of Aurora as a housekeeping and also a personal care aide at the Center of Disability Rights, taking care of 2 patients. One who is paraplegic and the other one who has multiple conditions including cerebral palsy, spinal bifida, and also muscle dysfunctional. Then we go down to my language speaking. I speak Spanish, and I also, as you could already hear my voice, I speak English. Then we go down to my certification and my licenses. I have a certification in bloodborne pathogen training, HIPAA training, and also a CPR training, where it was one of the requirements for my course that I'm currently taking. Then we go down to my resume. I have provided a resume in there that and the link is in there that you could go in and take a look at. And then we go down to last but not least, my skills. I have skills in Excel training and also the Microsoft Word suites. That's pretty much it for my my credit portfolio. I have found in my current course that I'm taking that it's gonna help me in my behavior and my skills and knowledge in my near future. Hopefully my next semester I could get more out of my internship, which my internship starts in January 2023, and hopefully that would help me to actually get a better understanding about the real world out, and also my institutional outcomes will just follow along with my certification, and also get more knowledge in different hospital settings and clinical settings that I will also, potentially get more hands-on